The life of a crane begins with careful design and precise manufacturing.
There is a well-known joke in the crane world that till gravity exists, we have our jobs.
Thanks to gravity, all objects, including the very heavy ones, don't fly on their own. And when we need to move what matters, rolling, pulling, and dragging are not always realistic options. Cranes are the best option for moving heavy loads in 3 dimensions. Very good question. We often see cranes lifting unbelievably heavy objects, but very rarely see a crane that's tipped over. Why is that?
Cranes can lift things without falling over due to properly made design. We must always obey physics laws during crane design, and also we must take into account local conditions.
So designing a crane is not only about good looks, it's a complex process dictated by factors including the laws of physics, the understanding and execution of innovative technologies, local conditions like wind and temperatures, as well as the function that the crane is needed for. Konecranes cranes represent state-of-the-art technology with sophisticated and intelligent solutions that stand for decades of industry leadership.
Well, crane at this stage cannot think, but of course there is a safety system on the crane called overload protection.
So what happens if I try to lift something that's well over the rated capacity?
Then this system is activated and it prevents crane overload and crane collapse.
Cranes are manufactured in factories through an industrial process that involves, for example, machining, precision cutting, welding, and assembly, with systematic testing performed at every phase. Konecranes manufactures cranes by first producing finely crafted components like gears, motors, and controls in-house. This is called the core of lifting. These components are designed for crane-specific applications, with precision-cut steel parts assembled into the final crane structure. Konecranes also offers custom cranes tailored to specific industries and needs, utilizing standard components in unique ways. The life of a crane is filled with hard work and challenging circumstances. Real-time data monitoring, retrofitting, and modernizations ensure that our cranes remain capable of handling any given task for decades to come. This is why, in addition to state-of-the-art technology and innovative designs, Konecranes also focuses on circular and sustainable solutions to offer the longest possible life for its cranes. Konecranes moves what matters.